What is the xDB collection database, and what does it consist of? Let us try to find out answer.
xDB collection database, now we will see. The xDB collection database stores analytics data including contacts and interaction. The xDB collection database stores the analytics data including contacts and interaction. So I am CD server and CD2. When browsing it, that gets stored into the session, and if you flush it, the complete data of that session goes to the xDB. So now how does that data is stored? So there are two databases. It is use a sharding mechanism where we will have a two kind of a database. One is a shard databases which stores the contact, interaction and device profile. If you have installed the xDB, you will find like database name Sitecore instance name underscore xdb double underscore xdb collection dot shard 0 shard 1 shard 2. So that is the sharding. Okay, so number of shards you have created, depending on that data gets stored in the contact, interaction and device profiles. Now what is the shard map manager? It actually manages all those shards. Okay, so shard map manager database manages the multiple shards DB. So you will have one database which is called as a Sitecore instance name double underscore xdb dot collection dot shard map. So shard map manager database is to manage the multiple shard DBs. Okay, so if you have a multiple shard databases, so that will get managed by the shard map manager database. So experience data is sharded in the following ways. How does the sharding is happening in the experience data? First is the contact and interaction data is sharded by the contact ID. Okay, the identifier indexes is sharded by the identifier. Device profiles are sharded by the device profile ID. Okay, now what is sharding? I'm not going in the detail of this. This is a mechanism of SQL where database sharding is the process of storing a large database across a multiple machine. If you remember in Sitecore 8 lower version, we are using a MongoDB. Why you are using a MongoDB there? Because MongoDB was able to store a large database. Okay, no SQL data databases are used to store the database which has a lot of records. Okay, now it's interaction. You can imagine it is storing all the data, so it is a huge database. So for storing that, we use the database sharding mechanism, and for the X collection databases, that's the reason we have the shard 0, shard 2, 1, shard 2, that kind of a databases where we install the Sitecore. So it is using a sharding mechanism for the xDB collection.
For more details, watch complete video on our YouTube channel titled Sitecore Experience Database, xDB, a comprehensive overview and features explained. Click the link given on the screen.